Hello everyone, this is Art Hobbies and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be journaling in Softly Vintage Journal. If you don't know what Softly Vintage is, Softly Vintage is a startup business that aims at creating eco-friendly handmade journal and stationery supplies for their customers. They try to combine the vintage look and feel with soft pastels for a premium product. This is their green magnolia journal from the botanical collection journal, which comes in A5 size with 150 GSM papers and 200 pages. The botanical journals come in three different colors: lavender, also called as lavender; green, also called as magnolia; and yellow, called as baby's breath. I had so much fun working in these beautiful journals and vellum tags, mandala wooden stamps, textured tags, and journaling papers, clear stamps, postcards, and much more. Just made my day. A beautiful vintage collection, and guys, prices are super affordable. Once in a lifetime opportunity for all the journal lovers. These bullet journals have light bullets that come with a page marker, are thread bound, and have hardcover. Also, I am gonna be mentioning Softly Vintage Instagram account in the description of this video. So if you want to shop from them, just click that link and DM them on their Instagram account. Also, you can use my code ARTHOBBIES10 to avail 10% off. Also, do follow them because they are amazing. They sell amazing, good quality journal supplies. And yeah. hope you enjoyed journaling with me. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And